DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Quadcopter Executive FPV Bundle Size. Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Color Executive Bundle DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Drone Includes 1 DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Drone1 to 4K camera and gimbal. Pre-installed 1 remote with built-in 1080p monitor, 4 propeller pairs 1 to 5870 mAh intelligent flight battery. High capacity 1 battery charger 1 AC cable for battery charger 1 gimbal clamp 1 USB OTG cable 1 micro USB cable 1 to 16 GB MicroSD Card1 DJI Phantom 4 Pro Hard CaseeDigitalUSA Executive Bundle 1 DJI Goggles FPV Headset 1080p 30 FPS viewing with Head Tracking Control1 Phantom 4 Propeller Guard. Protect people and objects from spinning propellers. Mount this small and light propeller guard directly on the propellers to ensure a safe and long flight. 2 to 5870 mAh Phantom 4 intelligent flight battery 3 total built-in sensors and bright LEDs.1 Phantom 4 multi-charger charges 3 batteries and a remote at the same time. 1 Phantom 4 remote controller strap. Its ergonomic design eases the pressure to the cervical vertebra. 1 landing gear raises the unit a few inches to help keep clean from dirt. 1 to 64 GB MicroSD card high-speed class 10 MicroSD Memory Card.1 SD MicroSD Card Reader high-speed USB card reader and writer. 1 to 2-in-1 Lightning micro USB to data sync charge cable. Connect your remote to most Apple or Android devices. 1 professional waterproof hard case for DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Accommodates up to 7 batteries, iPad Air or iPad mini, filters, cables and more. 1 professional filter set, 3 Pack ND4, ND8, ND16 Filters for outdoor day flying. 1 eDigitalUSA cleaning pen, soft brush retracts into pen body to stay clean. 1 eDigitalUSA cleaning kit, cleaning fluid for the lens, screen and included cloth to wipe it clean. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.